Galletti App Tutorial. To start the NAVEL configuration procedure, you need a user interface with Wi-Fi and a browser, PC, smartphone or tablet. Next, you need to activate your device's Wi-Fi and connect it to the NAVEL module, which will be identified by its name T009_, and the numbers corresponding to the last 6 digits of the MAC address. On the browser page, type in the IP address shown on the left and enter the required data, MAC and AP codes. The MAC address can be found on the label attached to the back of the NAVEL module and on the attached labels in the manual. The AP password is the password for accessing the NAVEL module, and it can also be found on the attached label in the manual. Enter the required data and then press Send Identity to access the module. Select the Wi-Fi network of the router from the list, enter the password if any, and click Connect. At this point, the NAVEL module will connect to the router and then through it to the Galletti server. 2 steady yellow LEDs and a flashing green LED light up on the NAVEL module. The Galletti app is available from the App Store for both Android and iOS. To use the Galletti app, you must first be registered with the Galletti server. If you are already registered, simply log in by entering your email and password in the spaces provided. Otherwise, click on Sign Up to register. After filling in the required fields with your email and password and authorizing the processing of your data, you will receive a message from Agua, which sent an email containing a code to our email address. A drop-down menu will appear on the screen asking you to enter the code sent by Agua. Enter it and press OK. Once you have entered your email, password and code, registration is complete. When you log in, the main page will show a list of all the devices registered and connected to your account. To add a new device, click on the Add button in the top right-hand corner and follow all the instructions to fill in the registration fields correctly. By pressing the Setting button, you can change the basic settings of the app, such as communication mode, language, theme, and color. To remotely control a fan coil, access the main page. From here you can see all the registered fan coils which are indicated in light blue. The same operating modes that will be shown below with the Wi-Fi connection are also available via Bluetooth. To choose how to connect to the terminal, select the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth icon at the bottom. Pressing on an individual element allows you to access the information relating to it. The main page contains the main functions. By pressing the on or off button, it is possible to activate or deactivate the fan coil. Next to it is located the option for selecting the operating season, summer or winter. To change the temperature or ventilation set point, click on the pencil icon in the upper right-hand corner of the temperature box. Once the desired value has been set, press the button in the top right-hand corner again to confirm. For the fan, it is also possible to set it to operate in automatic mode, i.e., the fan adjusts its speed according to the difference between the room temperature and the selected set point temperature. Press the Details button to access the screen for enabling parameters such as the economy function by selecting the leaf icon, the antifreeze by pressing the moon icon, and the time slots function.